Hey YouTube, how's it going? Spec M Auto is back with a video today. First M.A.V episode in a pretty good while. Some of you probably were worried I will never do one again, but fear not, an episode is here. Today, we're going to be doing a pretty cool upgrade with my Honda Civic. Today we're going to take this Acura CSX center console with the opening and shutting door. We're going to take this Acura CSX part that I got imported from Canada, and we're going to put it in my 2010 Honda Civic today. And while we're in there, I'm thinking about also doing another thing. I might not even film it because, I mean, it's probably going to be a waste of time. Anyway, the other thing I'm going to do while I have that console all removed and all that fun stuff, I'm also going to try to get an LED bulb put in there for the shift indicator. So it'll bring that back to life and make it brighter than it was new. The bulb in there has never worked as long as I got the car. Never got around to replacing it. Might as well do it today while I get this Acura console put in. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the way we're going to start off simple. We're just going to go ahead and pop this thing out. Sometimes it can pop out with your fingers. Sometimes it'll be a little stubborn and refuse. So in this case, we'll go ahead and just kind of inspire it. Ooh, that was quick and easy. So this part is now out, and now you're exposed to this, which I can probably start pulling out with my finger. Yep, there we go. Pull the e-brake up so it's out of the way. We're going to go ahead and actually shift it to neutral. Actually, I'll put it in drive. I have the e-brake on, so it's not going to roll anywhere. We're just going to go ahead and pull this bad boy out. Here's my old console versus new. Just sit that down there. And then while we're in here, I'm going to go ahead and take this apart real quick and replace the bulb that's in it. I'm going to see if I can find a LED bulb right in there. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I found out after going in the store here and some phone calls to the other auto parts stores in my area, they do not have these 2721 bulbs in LED. If you want these in LED, you're going to have to go on Amazon or some online website that sells these. So I just said screw it. I settled with the traditional halogen, and I'm just going to take one of these little tiny bulbs out of there, plug it up in this little guy, stick it back in the little hole that it belongs in, put this back, and then I'll put this in. So let me do this real quick. This is going to be a two-handed job. Alright guys, so I got that new bulb in there. It's working. This is probably one of the hardest bulbs I've ever changed. It was such a pain. But I managed to do it, so it's all good. It's locked in place, it's replaced, and I'm going to leave it for the rest of the car's life. So now we're going to go ahead and start to put this new piece in. So let's go ahead and get our gear shifter back more in the middle range here. It just makes the entire process a lot easier. So I'm thinking maybe first we should take this silver piece out, so the bigger hole will make it easier to slide everything up and in, like so. Alright, everything's lining up good. That's good, it's good. Everything's clicking. Perfect. And now I'm on the fence about deciding if I want to leave the silver piece on or leave my old carbon fiber wrapped one on. I think for right now I'll go ahead and leave the carbon fiber wrapped one on. But if you guys like the silver one better, leave a comment down below and let me know which you like better. So now we just slap that back on there. And as you can see, it's all fitting perfectly in place. And now I have that cool little cubby storage with the door. There we go, guys. What you guys think? Okay guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. It's a pretty short, sweet, and simple to the point. All that fun stuff. And that's how I like to do these M.A.V episodes. I don't like to make up super long videos because I already have videos that are projects and things, and they can go for quite some time. But I try to keep the M.A.Vs down. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of Max's Auto Vlogs. Please leave a like, share the video with your friends and family, and yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, get notified of every upload. Have a good day, guys. Stay safe out there. See y'all next time.